welcome back to Live Beauty and Soul. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been with me, welcome back. I'm so excited. I'm glad to be back recording today. Had to take a little break there the last couple of Mondays. We had life. We had graduation, and this week we have recitals and all kinds of end of the school year things that went on, and of course Mother's Day. So I was being present with my family. I am glad to be back, and today we are going to do a very quick Boxycharm unboxing, and this month we are unboxing the May Boxycharm, and this month's theme is Make Waves. So we're kind of getting ready for summer vibes. I think again this month my Boxycharm nailed it. I have not tried any of the product. We are really truly unboxing today. So let's get started. And first thing we have is the Glam Glow, and this is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, 5 ounces of the product. It is a cleanser, and I must say the packaging is so cool. I love it. Whoops, it's back upside down. Isn't that cool? That is so pretty. So it looks like it's pearlescent. Really doesn't have a smell, which is good for those who have sensitive skin and can't really tolerate too much of a scent in product. So yeah, I am so excited to try this one. I've been wanting to do this unboxing so we can try it on. And oh, how cute. Look, it says hello sexy. Ooh. And the next item I want to look at is from Mellow Beauty, and it's a brow definer. Ooh, a brow pencil in the color taupe. I don't think it's gonna match me, because if you've been with me, you know right now that I need a dark eyebrow product, because I do have a lot of eyebrows. See, I just have to finish adding up a little bit at the ends, because back in the day, you know, over plucking, and I thinned them out too much, so I ended up losing the edges of the brows, and they've never grown back, y'all. Never ever. Has a short spoolie. Feels pretty soft. Kind of got it slow because I have something on my camera. Well, that feels good. And let's see the color of the pencil. Oh man, and it's one of these kind of shapes. See if you can see. It's like a drop or like a triangle. I've been really wanting to try one of these. See, that's almost like for what? Like a blonde person? Do you know what I'm wondering? You could use it for. Let's try something. But I wonder if we can use it as a liner, because it's light, but it's not too light. What do y'all think? You know what? I think it may work for that. I mean, I wouldn't say why not, right? I'm thinking I may pull it off. Of course, I had a little bit of eyeshadow. So, yeah. I am going to try it as liner. I'll let you know. I haven't even said the price of these things. The Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser is $28. Retails for $28. And the Mellow Brow Definer, it retails for $18. Next product is the Alomar Cosmetics, and this is the Colorette Blush Trio. It looks really pretty. Let's do this so I don't blind everybody. So we got 3 colors. We got the orangey, the lighter coral, and the darker coral, and they look pretty pigmented. Of course, we're not gonna put them that dark on the cheeks. Really, really, really pretty colors for the summer. And the finish is a satin finish. It doesn't have any glitter or any shine, but it's not a matte blush. So it's right in between, and I really like that. And the Alomar Colorette Blush Trio retails for $22. Okay, and the next product is the Dose of Color, and this is a liquid matte lipstick. And no worries, because it's a matte lipstick, I will put some gloss over it, and hopefully this formula will play well with the gloss. And it is in the color Coral Crush, and wow, look at that color. That's intense. This is not for the faint of heart. We are going to play with this and see. I like vibrant colors, So I'm not scared about it. What I'm not excited about is it is a matte lipstick. And you all know my feeling about the matte lipsticks. I'm over the matte craze. Very, very summery, springy color. I really, really like it. My girls are gonna be like, oh my gosh, mom, but hey, I'm gonna rock it. All right, so Dose of Color, and this one retails for $18. And the last product I got is the Ciate London, and this is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and I saw it on the sneak peeks, and I'm excited. I got the Cupid color because it was two colors. It was between this color and I think it was called Ice. And so I got the one that is like a rosy color. See, it has a lot of shimmer and it has gold specks. But when you kind of look at it like this, it looks kind of pink. I am excited I got this color. The other one was really pretty, but I equated in my mind for a silver, and I'm not big on silver eyeshadow. But this color looks so pretty. Let's see. And it's a long doe applicator. Okay, so this is really concentrated. So you see, it's like a duochrome. It shifts. See, when you look at it like that, it looks lavender, pinkish lavender. But then when the light hits it right from the front, it looks, you can see all that gold speck. And of course, this is a really, really thick swatch. When you spread it, you can see that little bit of a pink and then that gold. So really, it's not meant to give a full pink color. It's the luster, it's that shine. And I've seen it applied, and when you spread it out, it gives you that really pretty wet look to the eyelid. I cannot wait to try it. Once it dries, ooh, mama. Once it dries, it stays right there. Ooh, I'm excited, I'm excited. Not that there's ever a proper time or proper season for sparkle on the eyes, because I don't care. I like sparkle, I'm gonna wear it. But spring and summer, baby, these kinds of looks with the lusters, I have very high hopes for this product, and I hope you don't let me down, because I really like you. And these retail for $22. But judging by the fact that, I mean, look at that. It is not budging anywhere. Judging by it, it's gonna be a long-lasting one. Excited for this. The Ciate London. Excited for the Glam Glow, because I have used their regular masks and I really, really like them. So I'm excited for these two. Are my favorite product right now, without trying them, without giving them a good try. And then the next one that I'm looking forward to try is the blushes. I'm always looking for a good blush that will last on my face. So yeah, the total value of this box was $108. Remember, you pay $21 or $19.66 if you purchase them in the quarterly, and it's even less if you purchase it on the every 6 months. For me, $19.66, and this is worth $108. If it wasn't because the eyebrow pencil is taupe, which is too light for me, I would say, just looking at the box right now, I liked everything I got. So yeah, guys, I'm excited to be back. I have some really cool ideas in my mind for some future videos. Again, live permitting, I do upload every Monday and every so often on a Thursday. I already have the next recipe in mind. I just have to try it one more time in a different way of cooking it, just to give you a couple of options on how to make that recipe. So stay tuned for the Tasty Thursdays for my next recipe. And until next time, I am sending you lots of love and blessings. Mwah.